friends, welcome to today's video, which is a very late Ipsy unbagging. This is my February bag. It's been sitting for like a week and a half on my counter waiting for me to open. If you guys follow my channel, you'll know it's been a little while since I've posted. There's been a lot of life stuff happening and just haven't had I was gonna say I haven't had the chance at the time. That's not true. I like to sit down and film when I'm feeling positive, and I want to because this is like my hobby and it's something I enjoy doing. So if I'm just really busy and not feeling like it, I don't film. So yeah, this weekend I seem to have sort of gotten myself back into a better place again, got my life a little more together, and I wanted to sit down and film this and hopefully film some other stuff and sort of have some more fun videos going up on my channel. So let's get into Ipsy. Oh, also, usually this bag is a little more sealed than that. Oh well. Ooh, the bag is fuzzy. I've not been spoiled on anything in this, which is kind of amazing considering like I haven't opened it in so long. Ooh, it's like a velvety purple. This also feels really small as compared to usual, but yeah, velvety purple little bag. That's actually super cute, like super cute. And also just so soft, like... Okay, let's get into it. I usually like to say what kind of things I like getting in my Ipsy bag. I always like getting face masks. I like getting like mascaras. I like getting lip products. What else do I like getting? I don't know if there's like little highlighters or things like that to try. I enjoy it. Yeah, so let's see what I got. Something flat. Oh, that's probably the card. Yes. Feel the love, yes, because this is a Valentine's Day thing, even though I'm filming this on March 1st. So, what do we got? A squeezy tube. Skincare? Yes. Okay. Ooh, okay. So this is a hydrating body lotion with hyaluronic acid. It's a brand called Skylar, which I've not heard of before. There we go. And this is a little tiny sample, but that's okay. I've mentioned on my channel before that I go through a lot of body moisturizer. I tend to, in the winter, shower twice a day, once in the morning, once when I get home from work. I'm constantly trying to maintain my skin being moisturized, so I use a lot of body lotion every time I get out of the shower. So I will definitely use this. This may only last me like a couple of days, but that's okay. It says that it is Capri scent, which is sparkling citrus and sweet, which sounds very summery, which I feel like I'm in the mood for right now. We had a huge snowstorm this last week, and so I'm just sort of like dreaming of summer. So citrusy, tropical. Yeah, that's nice. And I like it when body moisturizers are scented, but not super scented because I do use a fair amount of it. So a light scent means that it works quite well, whereas a heavy scent can be overpowering. But that feels really nice. It actually sunk in really quickly, which is awesome. So yay, good first product. What is this? The box. Probably going to be like a powder product. Let's see. So it's from Voss, which I've not heard of. It is a fairy dust pressed highlighter with evening primrose oil. There we go. So let's see, fairy dust. I feel like that's going to be like a champagne-y kind of color. Oh, it's in the shade Moonlight, actually. So I guess fairy dust is the name of their highlighter series. So Moonlight. Maybe more golden. I feel like Moonlight is a golden kind of thing. So there we go. Just a little plastic packaging, but this is most likely a sample. Ooh, that has like a purpley kind of look to it. You gonna focus on it? Yeah, so let's see. Ooh, it's super smooth. Ooh, and like super wet kind of highlight. Swatch it. Ooh, yeah, there's definitely like a purple reflect in there, which sometimes I can find to be quite pretty. You need to be a little light-handed with it, but that seems like super smooth and like it blends really well, but still leaves like a shine behind. So yay, I'm excited about that too. Everything left in here is really light feeling now. So this kind of looks like a Benefit product from the back. Oh no, it's the balm. Pedal to the Metal Va Va Voom Cream Eyeshadows. Shift into overdrive. Okay, so a little cream eyeshadow sample. Let's see what color it is. It's called Turbo, and it's just sort of a brownish shade that pulls a little bit like plum in real life. Let's do a swatch of that too. Okay, yeah, I mean, that's a cream. It's very subtle, actually, considering it's called like Pedal to the Metal, Shift into Overdrive. So let's see. Yeah, that is very subtle. There is some shimmer in it. It feels like, I feel like maybe that would be a good base, and then it could cause other things to stick well on top, but that, I don't know, I'll get into a little bit. I don't tend to use cream eyeshadows that much. I tend not to use eyeshadow that much overall. But we'll see. I always like the Balm products that I try. They aren't a brand that I tend to think of getting for myself, but I always enjoy it. So I feel like, okay, there's a little squeezy tube and then a little box, which I almost feel is gonna be like a tiny lipstick sample. So let's take a look at this. Am I correct? I have no idea what brand this is. Antimatter lipstick in the shade Bang. So there's not really much of a logo on here. There's something just on the top there. I feel like with the name like Bang, it's gonna be bright, but let's see. Okay, this is such a tiny little doll lipstick, but that is a very pretty color. It's a little more like nude brown. Let's try it out. Like, look at how tiny that is compared to my lips. Oh. Very creamy. It's quite nice. Okay. That would be so good to just stash into my purse when I want like a bit of extra color on my lips. And finally, another squeezy tube kind of thing. So what do we got here? Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer. It's in the shade LN2. That's interesting. Let's see how well they shade matched me. Actually, quite well. So there we go. Ooh, that is much more full coverage than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why, but like, look at that. It's like blanked out my freckles on my hand. I'm actually quite interested to try that. It looks like it's dried down already to very powdery and very smooth looking. Like it's smoothed out like the wrinkles on my hands. So, okay. Yeah, good bag. I mean, I feel like the cream eyeshadow is a little, I'm not sure it's something I would really use that much, but overall, like 2 thumbs up. Worth waiting for. How about that? So let's see what they say about the products. Okay, the lipstick is from Illamasqua, who I have heard of. I feel like I've tried something of theirs before, but I don't remember what. It's a dreamy nude lip color, a matte lipstick that feels just as good on the lips as your go-to balm and glides on like butter. Yeah, it's a nice creamy lipstick. The Fairy Dust Press Highlighter is from, yeah, K. Voss NYC. They call it very silky, which it is. Light reflecting pearly pink pigments. I feel like it was a little more purple than pink, but that's okay. The Pure Love Your Selfie Foundation. Fair Ivory is the shade that they gave me. This 4-in-1 foundation multitasks almost as well as you do. It immediately conceals, corrects, and blurs imperfections with full coverage pigments, while simultaneously helping to improve skin health with a cocktail of antioxidant-rich vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts. Sounds very good. Tip, use a damp beauty sponge to blend foundation. Yeah. The Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion. Yeah, it's a lightweight formula infused with heavy-hitting hydrators like shea butter and hyaluronic acid, which is awesome. And then the Balm Pedal to the Metal Shift into Overdrive Turbo. I feel like those are all descriptions that make me feel like it's going to be like much more pigmented than it is. We're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desks, and this shimmery cream shadow has quickly become our new go-to. This rose gold with silver flecks blends like a dream, and it's a totally unique shade that's versatile enough for day or to glam up your looks for night. Okay, I'm excited to play around with all of these. Thank you for sticking around when I'm not posting, if you have stuck around when I haven't been posting. I really enjoy doing these videos, and I hope you guys enjoy watching them as well. I know I haven't posted any reviews for a little bit. There are products I've been testing that I'm ready to do reviews on soon. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to getting back on track with videos over the next little while and sharing more of that with all of you. Thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and you would like to. You know, whatever you want. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.